A question that gets asked a lot is about cleaning dentures. Do we need to clean them every day? And how much do we need to do in regards to cleaning them? Yes, we need to clean our dentures every single day. And we have to do more than a surface clean. The reason for this is we have 700 species of microbes with a population of anywhere between 6 and 20 billion at any given time. And that population depends on a few things: our salivary levels, pH levels, and mouth temperature. Those things determine how that bacteria is breeding in our mouths. So we have those things, and they live on and in our dentures. Our dentures have microscopic pores, which allows those microbes to get into our dentures. So if you're just rinsing them underwater, all you're doing is removing food debris. You're not doing anything in regards to removing those microbes and killing the bad things that live on our dentures or in our dentures. If you are using denture safe paste or Dawn dish soap or hand soap, two products that my dentist personally does not recommend, all you are doing is doing a surface clean. You're just killing what's on the surface. And when it comes to hand soap and dish soap, my dentist and I had a conversation about this last week when I had my annual visit. Hand soap and dish soap are designed to kill a specific type of bacteria and things that live on our skin and on our dishes. Denture safe products are designed to kill what lives in our mouth. Now, if you had a circle diagram and you had, your circle and your two circles here, you might have some things that are shared in the middle, but then on the end, you have things that are not shared. So the hand soap and the dish soap may kill things that are here in the center, but things that are over here, they don't kill. So that is why she recommends denture intended products. Cleaning tablets are designed by that fizzing to get into the microscopic pores of our dentures. Dr. B liquid crystals with the ultrasonic cleaner, the vibrations of the ultrasonic cleaner get that cleaning solution into those microscopic pores. Dish soap, hand soap, denture safe paste does not get into those microscopic pores. So you're just doing a surface clean when you use those. If you use regular toothpaste, nothing else, no denture safe products, nothing that is getting into those microscopic pores. What's happening is with toothpaste is you're causing microabrasions. Those microabrasions allow more of those microbes to live in your dentures, which over time can cause you to get sick, will cause odor, will discolor your dentures. So if you're just using regular over-the-counter toothpaste, you are causing more of an issue. You may not notice right away. It's something that does not become noticeable until time passes. We can get bacterial pneumonia from the things that live in our dentures. We can get thrush. So it is very, very important to clean our dentures every day and to get into those microscopic pores. So yes, you do need to clean your dentures, and you do need to do a deep clean at least one time a day. And that helps drastically reduce that population of microbes. It's also very important to clean your mouth every day when your dentures are out, to also get rid of the stuff that is living in our mouths. We have so much that is in there. And with dentures, we also have that stuff that's living underneath our dentures and just kind of breeding, because it's a dark, damp space. And so even more bacteria is just lurking underneath our dentures in the area between our denture and our gums. So yes, please clean your dentures every day and make sure that you are cleaning them thoroughly. I'm going to go ahead and go. Hopefully this helps someone. I'll talk to you later. Bye.